Hello, good morning. This is Don again, and I am the Reasonable Realtor. I would ask that you go to thereasonablerealtor.com. You'll find my website and our blog and some of our products if they will help you. Tell you real quick what I do. I am a broker, I'm a real estate broker, an agent. I have been doing this uh, 36 years at this point. I know I don't look that old, but I have. And at this point, what I do is I put houses in the MLS for people that want to sell their own house. It's called for sale by owner, and I work with for sale by owners. I help teach them what they need to know, and I give them access to the MLS through me, through my membership. It's an MLS entry only listing, saves them thousands of dollars over a traditional real estate listing, but they do have to do the work themselves. So, therefore, it's incumbent on them to have some idea of what they're doing. That's where I come in. I try to teach them what they need to know, and I do give them access to put their house on the MLS. So that's thereasonablerealtor.com. If you go there, you can go up to the little menus at the top of the first page. You can hit MLS My Home and put your house right on there. In Tennessee, I'm in the MLSs from Knoxville to Memphis to Nashville to Chattanooga. I'm all over statewide in the state of Tennessee. But the reason that I'm here today is I am trying to introduce another service that we have that is consulting. We consult all over the country, all over 50 states. We don't consult in a capacity of agency. We don't consult as an attorney. We don't consult as your real estate agent licensed in your particular state. But we do bring to the table a lot of experience, and we work with you in generic situations, not necessarily specific to your transaction, but stuff that you need to know, stuff that you just realized that you didn't know. In essence, we're able to hold your hand. This consulting program. In fact, I just had somebody ask me yesterday. She said, I am from a different state altogether, and I'm kind of apprehensive about doing this sale for sale by owners because I don't want to get myself in any trouble. So I'm looking for a situation not just to have the ability to put my house in the MLS, but I would like somebody who is able to guide me to some extent, not represent me, but guide me to some extent. So there have been several people lately that would like guidance, hand holding, whatever you want to call it. I would ask that if you go to thereasonablerealtor.com, go up to the shop and pull down the consulting menu there and go to the consulting page. You'll see what it's all about. It's not terribly expensive. You don't know what you don't know until you discover it. It is good to have somebody with you that you can talk to, somebody that has some experience. Um, that's just life. That's with a lot of different topics. So happens in this situation, I am the person that somebody can talk to and maybe get a little bit of information that I picked up along the way over the years. So at any rate, there's a couple of things I'd love for you to do. One, obviously go see thereasonablerealtor.com. Subscribe there if you'd like to. That would be great. Put you on our mailing list, send you out a newsletter once a month. Subscribe right here. We've still got the little red square down there in the corner. Love for you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I told you before, the YouTube fairy puts a quarter under my pillow for every subscription that I get to this YouTube channel. We're trying to build it up too. Obviously, I'm professional at this. I'm a model in a past life, but now I'm a YouTube spokesperson. So here I am. Um, I would love for you to subscribe to the YouTube channel, subscribe to the blog if you want to. Um, Go below here and you will see a link. to the blog, and in fact to the page that talks about our consulting abilities, whether they're right for you, whether they dovetail with your idea of marketing your house. Um, the last thing I would ask is if you would make a comment or have a question, just put it down below here. I promise I will answer each one of them, unless they're just, obviously a joke or something like that. And I'll probably weed out some of them and not answer them. But serious questions and comments, I will certainly look forward to answering. Anyway, that is all that I have for today. Truncated, very short version today, but I do appreciate you being here. Look forward to you being here next time. I will see you probably Monday. Thanks.